The Maharashtra Navnirman Sena will be going solo in the Maharashtra Assembly polls, and there will be no alliance between the Mahayuti and the MNS for the upcoming elections. Meanwhile, speaking at the meeting of the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena held in Mumbai, its chief Raj Thackeray has announced today that he will be contesting on 225 out of the 250 seats from the total, between 225 to 250 seats out of the total of 288 seats. He has also appealed to the workers not to think about whether there will be an alliance or not. He has announced that he will start the Maharashtra tour from the 1st of August as part of his now election campaign. My colleague Vrishali Kadam with us on the broadcast. Vrishali, take our viewers through the details. The MNS deciding to go solo for the Maharashtra elections. In fact, they want to contest a pretty large number of between 225 to 250 seats out of the 288. What really is it that we're learning? Why is it that Raj Thackeray is not too keen on an alliance with the Mahayuti, at least in a pre-poll scenario?
We have seen that during the Lok Sabha election also, there was a meeting happened between Amit Shah and Raj Thackeray, and post that it was Raj Thackeray who has decided to offer a big support for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He has also campaigned and taken rallies for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but this time he said that that was the unconditional support which he extended for the Prime Minister Narendra Modi as far as the Lok Sabha is concerned. But when it comes to Vidhan Sabha, when it comes to his home ground, this time Maharashtra Navnirman Sena is in mood to contest in a big, large number. This is a very important decision as far as the Maharashtra is concerned, because we have seen what has happened with the UBT, what happened with the Shiv Sena, and after that the two factions supporting or taking a stand for the Marathi Manus have splitted, and now there are two different parties. On top of that, if the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena, who again fights for the rights of Marathi Manus and son of soil, if the Raj Thackeray has decided and he has announced that he will contest around 225 to 250 seats out of 288, so which is itself is a big decision. And this time he has made it very clear that he has also appealed to the cadre that don't think about whether we will go for alliance or not, just concentrate and try to get maximum seats what you can get at pan Maharashtra, which is itself is a big decision. This will definitely will give an option for the Marathi Manus and the son of soil, and this decision is very important when we have a reservation, a big issue going on in the state, where the another party is coming up full-fledgedly and offering the Marathi Manus an option. So what will happen to the UBT this time about their candidates? So this is very important. And remember, it's a MNS, Maharashtra Navnirman Sena, who has already announced their candidature for the Worli Assembly, from where the Aditya Thackeray is the sitting MLA. So certainly the role of Raj Thackeray will be very important and very deciding as far as the kind of decision he has taken and he has announced for his Maharashtra wide tour.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.